I've got no time. I'm a very important person. It's getting late. I've really got to go. I don't need to talk to you. I've no time for that. After all, I'm famous, and you're not where it's at. Oh, go away. Don't bother me. I don't want to be seen with you. It will hurt my fine image, and I'm afraid what you might do. I've got no time. I'm a very important person.